The wait for Samsung's next Galaxy S series is seemingly nearing its end, though the leaks still keep on coming. After Samsung sent out invites for a January 14 Unpacked event on Sunday night, Monday brought our first look at what the new S Pen and case for the S21 Ultra will look like. The images, courtesy of WinFuture, show the S Pen and a compatible S21 Ultra flip case, which stylus users may want to spring for, as the case will have a place to store the S Pen when not in use. Previous rumors have suggested that the S21 Ultra will not have a spot on the device for storing the optional accessory. Like with Samsung's Galaxy Note line, the S21 Ultra's S Pen will support gestures and actions for scrolling, taking photos or playing and pausing videos. The site reports that the S Pen will retail for €40, roughly $50, £35 or AU $65. Samsung did not immediately respond to a request for comment. The addition of S Pen support to the Galaxy S21 comes as rumors circulate that Samsung will end production of its stylus-packed Galaxy Note line as soon as later this year to focus more resources on its foldable line of phones, which includes the Galaxy Z Flip 5G and Galaxy Z Fold 2. Thanks for watching. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel, follow by the bell.